Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about tab and slot command used in sheet metal. So let's start from the sketch. For this we need to create any plane, so I'm choosing front plane. After that here I'm going to create a sketch with the help of center rectangle. So I'm choosing center rectangle and draw a rectangle with the reference of origin. After that select sheet metal and select base flange. So basically I'm going to create a sheet metal. Now this first sheet is ready. For tab and slot we need two sheets to create tab and slot between the sheets. For this choose any plane or face of the sheet metal and keep it normal position. After that again select sketch and create another sheet metal here. So for this I am choosing corner rectangle and draw any sketch, and again select sheet metal and convert this sketch into a sheet metal. Click OK. Now here we have two sheets. So now click on tab and slot command. So for this we need an edge or a face to create a tab and slot on the sheet metal. So first of all we are going to select an edge. So I'm selecting the edge and select the face on which you want to create slots. I'm selecting the face. Here we have number of options available, number of how much you want to create these slots and tabs. So you can increase its number or decrease its number from here. It's 5 or 6. You can also define its length manually or having equal spacing. The next option is tab length, that how much longer or wider you want the tab. So you can also increase or decrease the tab length. The next option is the height of the tab. You can remain it up to the surface, offset of the surface, and blind. So firstly I'm choosing blind option. So you can increase its length. There you can see the increase in the length of tab. The next option is edge type, that what kind of edge you want. The first option is sharp edge. The next option is for use fillet edge and the chamfer edge. So I'm selecting the first option. Here is sharp edge and click OK. So you can here see that a number of tab and slots are created on the both sheet metal. You can see one by one by hiding the first one. Again choosing tab and slot and edit it again. Now I am applying the second edge type is fillet edge. You can apply fillet on the edges of the tab. From here you can enter its value. For example I am entering here 2 mm and click OK. So now you can see here the edges are created with the having of fillet of 2 mm. Again edit in tab option. The next option is tab having chamfer on the edges. You can also apply chamfer on the edges. Here I am applying a chamfer of 2 mm on the edges of the tab. So you can see here the edges of the tab having chamfer. The next option is up to surface. So I'm selecting up to surface and click OK. Here you can see the changes in the tab and slot. The tabs are created having length up to the surface of the next sheet metal. And next option is the offset from surface. So you can also create the tab offset from the surface. For example, I'm entering here 2 mm offset and click OK. So it's an error because the tab is created in the inside of the sheet metal. If we are applying it in reverse direction, and click OK. So now you can see that the tabs are created offset from this surface. You can also check it by evaluating. Click evaluate and select measure. Select first phase and second phase. Here you can see the distance of 2 mm. So the tab is created offset from this surface of having distance of 2 mm. So this is about the tab and slot command used in sheet metal. Thank you for watching the video.